Here's how to create a playlist on YouTube. Use our clickable sections below to keep track of what step you're on during this tutorial. When visiting youtube.com, make sure that you are signed into the right Google account where you want to create the playlist. Once you have found a video that you want to put in a playlist, at the bottom of that video, click the Save button. A box will pop up with a few different options. Choosing Watch Later will add that video to a default Watch Later playlist, which you can access from your YouTube home screen. If you have previously created a playlist, it will also appear as an option for where you can add the video. In this case, we will choose Create New Playlist. Title it whatever you want. I'm starting a playlist of my favorite Food Insider videos. Then, you have to choose your privacy setting. If it's public, anyone can search for and find your playlist. An unlisted playlist can only be viewed by others who have the link to that playlist, and a private playlist will only be viewable by you. For this example, we're going to choose Unlisted, and then click Create. Your video has now been added to your newly created playlist. You can find your playlists on your YouTube home screen on the left-hand side. Here's the one we just created. When you click on it, you will find all of your videos that you have added. You can manage several settings of your playlist from this page. You can edit the title of the playlist and add a description. The three-dot menu will allow you to add videos to the playlist, add all the videos to a different playlist, or allow collaborators to add videos to the playlist. Other features include embedding and deciding the video order in your playlist. You can also delete a playlist here. This arrow button allows you to share your playlist. Since this one is unlisted, only people who have access to this link will be able to watch the videos added to the playlist. And this button here allows you to shuffle play through your videos. On mobile, you can save a video to a playlist by pressing Save at the bottom of the video. This is also where you can add a new playlist. Press New Playlist, and then you'll be prompted to title it and change its privacy settings. Then press Create. You will find your playlists by pressing Library on your YouTube menu bar. Pressing on your playlists will also allow you to edit their settings. Now you know how to organize YouTube videos into playlists.